guys, this is Ren and today I'm gonna be showing you one of the oldest sites in Istanbul, and this is Fener-Balat.
Inscribed on the list of the UNESCO Heritage Sites, this district was home to many Jewish on the 14th century after being rescued by the Sultan from being persecuted by the Spanish. So after being rescued from Spain, the Jews freely lived in this district and were called the Fenerliler. And just walking through the cobblestone sloping alleys while looking up at the old houses will take you back in time. And as I let my hand to lightly scrape the walls, I got some kind of chills and I can't imagine how these houses stood and endured the test of time. Now this here is a 500-year-old school which up until now is still open. It is also said that Fener was like a Vatican during those times, having 250 million Orthodox Christians who worshipped in different churches and synagogues built in the districts, which three are still active in Balat. After an hour of walking, I needed a water break, and luckily there are a lot of retail stores in the area which are similar to the ones we have in the Philippines. And yes, they don't have 7-Eleven here. It's also really fun watching some kids playing on the streets and to see some linens and clothes hanging by the window. They kinda reminded me of home. The district has also been used as a perfect location for some Turkish movies and series, just like the one I currently watch that I really love.
Oh my god, I'm really a fan of that Turkish series, and now andito na ako. Oh my god, pinapanood ko na to. May andito na ako, guys. I'm so loving it. May hangin effect ka. Hindi na.
Now, it is one of the most colorful districts in Istanbul after the building's restoration. While some were still home to Turks, some were turned into hotels, apartments, and cafes, making it a great tourist destination. Finally, after a long tour, the best cafe to chill at is the Museum Cafe, which is named after Dimitri Jantimir, a Roman soldier and historian who owned the mansion in the 16th century. You can chill with your family and friends while you're having the traditional Turkish coffee or tea, but that day I prefer ice cream because it's summer season, so it's ice cream season.
So I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next vlog, bye!